Hello, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today is 18th of the August 2023 and I am Dr. Anurag Manna, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today we have another set of 5 questions belonging to medieval Indian history, and we have to solve these questions are from chapter 5 of the NCERT textbook, and our duty is to solve these questions and to search the correct answers from the textbook itself. Once again, I remind you that the core purpose of this exercise is to enable you to develop the basic understanding of the topics and ability to analyze. And this is a slow, sustained process that goes on a daily basis. You cannot develop ability to understand and analyze the things all of a sudden. This is the method: solving questions and searching the answers to those questions which you have made wrong from the textbook itself. Then only your mind will be activated to search the answers, and the more and more question your mind will have, the more and more answers it will be searching. And this is how you will become a competent student, and you will ultimately transform yourself from an aspirant to a finally selected candidate, which is our collective purpose. And let us work on our goals. So come to the questions of the day. Consider today is the 18th August, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala, Medieval India, chapter 5. Question number 1. Consider the following statements. 1. By the end of the 9th century, the Abbasid Caliphate was in decline. 2. The Turks had entered the Abbasid Empire during the 9th century as palace guards and mercenary soldiers. 3rd. Amir ul Umra refers to kingmaker. Of the above statements, A. All these statements are correct. B. One statement is correct. C. One statement is incorrect. D. All statements are incorrect. Question number 2. Samanids were by descent A. Iranian, B. Afghanistani, C. Arabian, D. Turkish. Question number 3. Shahnama was written during the reign of Mahmud, A. B. Afrasiab, C. Shahjahan, D. Jahangir. Question number 4. Battle of Wai Hind. Battle of Wai Hind was fought between A. Mahmud and Anandapala, B. Mahmud and Jayapala, C. Rajputs and Jats, D. Delhi Sultanate and Rajputana. Question number 5. Consider the following match: Rajput states and place. Gahadawalas, Kannauj, Parmaraz, Malwa, Chauhans, Ajmer, Kalachuris, modern Jabalpur. Of the above, all are correctly matched. B. 3 are correctly matched. C. 2 are correctly matched. 1 is correctly matched. Once again, I urge all of you to solve the questions and be more closer to your success, because success is a process and it has to be done on a regular basis. It has to be, and this process has to be followed sincerely on a regular basis. Devote 4 to 5 hours every day on learning part, and devote at least 1 to 1.5 hours daily on question solving part, including these Pathshala questions, because this is how you will be able to solve the questions. Ultimately, you will have to solve the questions asked by the UPSC examination, and I specifically go deeper in the textbook itself, because the moment you will have the basics very clear from the textbook itself, you will be courageous enough to attempt all the questions in the preliminary examination as well as in written examination. And one of the greatest expectation from my students is that you should solve all the questions, all the 100 questions in the general studies paper Yes, in CSAT paper you can solve 55 questions or 60 questions, 65 questions where you are 100% sure. But in general studies, you will have to answer each and every questions based on your understanding and ability to analyze. Solve all the questions, not as correct answers, but as the solutions to a problem. They are problems. They are basically problems, and you have to find out the best possible solutions. There is no absolute solution to any problem. We just have relative solutions. So you will be having four options and you will have to judge which one is better, and in that judgment process to rule out options, your basic understanding of the topics, especially reading textbooks, will be very useful, because you will be very easily able to rule out the wrong options, because many of the points will be in your memory by going through the textbooks on a regular basis. So uh, kindly solve the questions and search the correct answers and come out with flying colors. I am waiting for you to embrace all of you with a bouquet, with with a finally selected candidate badge of honor on your chest. Good luck.